Alright, y'all, we're going to run Miss Tammy Boss's Christmas Kitchen Razz. There are 25 spots at $2 a spot. Let's copy our list and go live at 9:23. Just rolling to 9:24. Let's paste our list. We had 25 items on our list, so we need a 4 or higher on the dice. Alright, we have a 10, a 6, and a 4. Here we go for the first time at 9:24. After the first time, there are 25 items on the list. Robin's on top, Red is on bottom. The dice calls for a 10, so here we go at 9:24. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9th time, there are 25 items on the list. Loretta is on top. Ginger is on bottom. We've randomized 9 times. The dice, a 6 and a 4, call for a 10. Here we go for the last time at 9:25. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 17, Naomi, you're the winner. Congratulations. There were 25 items on the list, and we randomized 10 times. The dice, a 6 and a 4, did call for a 10. We are done at 9:25. It's 9:25. Congratulations to spot number 17, Miss Naomi.